So you might notice that the image here is a little bit different than the one in the assessments system, but this is the image that you find in your workbook or handout, whatever it is for the practice problem we're looking at. And our job is to figure out the angle measures for any angles that have a question mark. So they give us two angles, and you'll notice that the transversal that crosses through the two lines has two lines that are not parallel. It's really clear that this line on the right is going to at some point intersect with the line on the left. But we already know a lot about angles, and we can figure out all of these measures in a couple of different ways. And I'm actually going to start with what we learned or reviewed in Lesson 9, and that's the idea of vertical angles. So if this one is 70 degrees, the angle that's vertical to it is this angle right here, and that's also going to be 70 degrees. Likewise, if we have a measure of 53 here, the angle that's vertical to that is going to be 53. So the next piece of information that we need to use is the idea that a straight line is a straight angle, and that's 180 degrees. So we can either go in this direction, left to right, or we could go up or down. You would use the same reason to kind of start with. And so a straight angle has a measure of 180 degrees, and part of it is being used by this angle here that's 70, so we're going to shave that off to figure out how much is left, and that's 110 degrees. And you could have the same argument if you were going up and down. You'd end up with 110 degrees here as well, because you would subtract 70 from 180, or you could say, well, those are now vertical angles, and I know I have 110. So likewise, on the right-hand side here, and maybe I'll go up and down this time. So if we go up and down, this is a straight angle, and if we take 180 degrees and we subtract 53 from that, we are going to end up with 127. So we know that this angle is 127 degrees. Likewise, we can either say it's vertical, or we can go the left to right using that straight angle idea and be able to prove that that angle is 127 degrees. So as you work through this problem, the same video is going to pop up on the different parts of assessments, even though the pictures look a little different.